Hello and welcome to Lesson 4 of the Complete Web Design course. In this video, we'll continue learning the basics of HTML, Part 2. Let's dive into how a website is actually built using HTML. 4. What is web design? Web design is the process of creating a website by placing a group of files together on a web server. These files include everything the user sees on the screen: the layout, text, images, buttons, and forms. All of this content is arranged using a combination of web technologies, starting with HTML. 4. The role of HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundation of every web page. It defines the structure and layout of the content, like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. Think of it as the skeleton of your website. 3rd, basic page structure. Every HTML page starts with the Dr. HTML declaration. Then we add the main tags: HTML to begin the document, head for metadata and links to style sheets or scripts, body for the visible content of the page. Each HTML tag has an opening and closing version, and they must be properly nested. 4. Practical demo. As you can see on the screen, we are writing a basic HTML page in W3 School's Try It Yourself editor. We begin with the document structure, then add elements step by step. This file will later be rendered by the browser as a web page. Well, that's it for this lesson. In the next video, we'll start working with real content: text, images, and links using HTML. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments.